Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a Tree Reviews, and today I am unboxing Succulent Studios subscription box. Basically, this is a succulent subscription. I've never done one of these. I do love succulents. I've received succulents in boxes, but never a straight up subscription for that sort of thing. Now, these two, this is two boxes. These are separate. I think they sent me over an assortment to kind of see what's going on. They do have two in each box for $10, plus you do pay shipping, and that's because they send it FedEx. I'm sorry for that weird. Every time I upload these videos when I do this, so let me just explain why I'm making this video this way. They are plants. They're live plants, and I didn't want them to sit and wait, and so it's 8:43 at night, and I'm in like my terribly lit kitchen. You see that there's still like this grout on my floor. Sigh. Anyway, it isn't dirt. So I'm unboxing these for you right now. So yes, they do send it FedEx so that there's no chance of us. It is a succulent and they do last a while, but there's no chance of them expiring in transit or something like that. So I'm going to pause the video, do the tape and all that, because I am using one hand, and then we'll open these up. Okay, so I am going to be totally honest. I just peeked in this box. I did not peek in this one. This is gorgeous. I am so excited. So, like, I have a whole bunch, not a whole bunch. I have a whole bunch of little plants, 2 airplanes, and then I do have a succulent that I've had for quite a while. And this is like my little heart. It just skipped 100 beats. So I'm just going to pop it open. See how cute it's packaged? Oh, look, guys. Oh, my goodness. Now, I don't know what plants these are actually called. This looks a little bit like what I have, but mine has little white, like, I want to say dots on it. I know it sounds silly. This is pretty. This almost kind of reminds me, it's not a Christmas cactus, but you know those that color scheme. I'm guessing that down here, now see, I'm only one-handed right now. There is information about these plants. Upon arrival and forever, give your succulents plenty of natural light. Now, I do have another, I'll take some pictures when I do the full review, which I'll link to below. I'll also link to Succulent Studios so you can check them out. But I do have another little pot. I have these really cool geometric pots. I'm going to put this guy in there. This guy's a little bit too big. But all right, so let's move on to this next one. I might have to pause. I'm going to have to pause. Okay, so I'm totally promising I didn't peek. Ooh, look at that guy. It's a triple. Wait. Oh, no. Did part of this man fall? Oh, no, he fell off. Oh, no. Maybe they'll grow back together. Oh, but look at this one, too. Oh, super cool. I'm in love. What kind are these? What is this stuffing they're in? I've never seen that before. Not at the nursery or anything. I'm going to pause this and lift this and see if there are like instructions for each of these, or like just information about each of the succulents. Okay, so really interesting, the pull thing. I was worried. I'm like, when I pull it up, isn't it going to pull on the plant? So you pull it out, and then you pull it out like that. Sorry about all those shadows. So anyway, here are the 4 succulents. So this would be total. Each box would be $16.95 if you included shipping, $10 without shipping, but I mean, they do charge shipping because it is FedEx expedited. I'm going to check their website to see if you get like information about each of the succulents you received. I'm actually kind of curious about all these because I don't know the name. They are gorgeous. So I'm sure they have pictures of each on the site. You know what I mean? For the month or whatever. These are super beautiful. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to add them to my collection. New friends. So really, really cool. I like this. What do you guys think? Let me know down below. Obviously, I'm going to link to them. I'll also link to my full review. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.